here, and welcome to another video. So a few days ago, I unfortunately lost my membership, which means I can't be my main character, and I'm also kind of limited to the videos I can do, but you don't have to be a member to trade, and that's what we're going to be doing this video. And no, it's not another trading with Bepper. This is Necklace to Spike. Snazzy title, right? Basically, you start off with a necklace, and only a necklace, and you try trading your way to a spike. I'm gonna make this into several episodes, and my goal in the end is not only to get a spike, but a black long spiked collar. So let's do this thing. Here we go, a nice, simple 45 gem necklace. I think it fits pretty well, but that doesn't really matter because we're gonna be trading it anyway. Guys, wait, you can change the color of items? I'm a non-member though, what the heck? Hold on, let's see if I will actually buy it. What? Oh my god! Guys, if you're a non-member, you can finally change the color of the item. That's crazy! Since when? What? That is honestly insane. Oh my god. Wow. So we will be trading away this blue necklace. It's still the same as any other magenta necklace, but it's blue this time because I like blue better. Let's go. If I could win this challenge like right now, that'd be actual insanity. You know, hopefully he accepts. Hopefully. Well, he didn't accept, so I guess we're gonna have to do this the hard way and actually trade things. So let's go. Starry New Year. Okay, they have a pink cape. I feel like that's better than a necklace, so we're gonna go for that. They declined. Okay, we're gonna keep searching. We're gonna keep searching. Ooh, there's a person trading me their head flower. I will accept that. Thank you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on, give me the head flower. Yes! Okay, so we have gone from necklace to head flower. Now we need to go from head flower to spike. Okay, this person has a rare big bow on their trade list. I feel like they could accept this trade. They could, because this is a nice blue head flower, okay? It's been freshly picked from the orchard and everything. They're thinking about it. They're deeply thinking. That's how you can tell they're thinking. If it takes them a while to accept the trade, it means they're thinking. We got a scammer right here giving away member account my den. Oh boy. I'm just telling everyone here. He's a scammer. Don't trust him. He's a scammer. He is a scammer. He's a scammer. Everybody look at the scammer. Everyone look at the scammer. Someone wants to trade me a member item for my non-member item. Okay, I think that means we're moving up in the world. Okay, definitely. The flower pot head thing, whatever the heck it's called, is on my trade list now and I am ready to go. This is very difficult. What the heck? I never knew it was this hard. I am going to end this video once I get a rare item for my flower, whatever the heck it's called. Let's see if we can do just that. Okay, so there's a lot of rares on this person's trade list. Ooh, I love this one. It's so cute. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, they declined. I can always hope. Whoa! Someone is trading me 2 rare items! Whoa, that's crazy. They must really love this head flower. Okay, I'll definitely accept. Wow! Well, guys, we went from a necklace today to a unicorn horn that's rare and a panda hat that's also rare. So I think that's a great place to end on today. I'm getting such a rush from trading. I love it. You know what? No, I'm not just ending it right there. I'm gonna keep trading. I now have my 2 rare items on trade, and let's just wait. Let's just wait for people to come to us. Massive store in my den. You know what? A store that's good. I could find something I want. We are gonna go for... What are we gonna go for? Ooh! 2 rares for 1 rare? Definitely, bro. That's awesome. Yay. I want this lamp. This lamp is mine. My lamp. Stay back from my lamp. My lamp. Now other people are calling it their lamp. It's my lamp. I literally just said it's my lamp. I am the one who is sitting on it right now. No, I will not accept your turkey hat. The owner is here. Can you put the lamp on? I need the lamp. The lamp is mine. Bepper put necklace on trade. No, I just traded my necklace. Sorry, you're a bit too late, okay, bro? I'm waiting for this lamp to go on this person's trade list so I can trade for the lamp, alright? Here is the lamp. It is on the trade list, and we are going all in. We're trading all of our rares we have gotten so far. The rare snowshoes, the rare reindeer shoes, and the rare panda hat for this lamp. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
I got the lamp. Yeah, of course you can add me. Thank you. You helped the cause. She helped the cause. This is just step 1 on the way to where we are going. This lamp is just step 1. I'm very proud of this lamp, but soon I will be very proud of a spiked collar. This is what happens when you trade. You can go from a necklace to a rare lamp in like 2 seconds. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.